let's start by using an initialized preset. And what we're going to want to do is go to Analog, Basic Shapes, and put it down 2 oscillators. Turn the phase and the round off. Go to Oscillator B, and go to Basic Shapes. Turn the phase, the round off, turn the level off, because what we're going to do is we're going to FM it from B. Turn this up to about 39, 40%. Should have a sound like this. Let's turn the sub on, -2. And let's turn the filter on, put it through oscillator A, B, the noise and the sub. And then let's turn the noise on, put it to about 5%. And let's use alpha NZ. Let's turn the cutoff down. Turn the noise back down. Res up. Drive up. Fat up. I put the noise back down to 4%. And now let's go to envelope 2. Sustain all the way down, decay down. And then let's go to the matrix. Envelope 2, put the amount up to about 20. And the destination, global master tune. Should to get something that sounds like this. Let's now go to the effects tab, add distortion. Turn the drive up. Let's add a filter. We're going to use band 12. Now let's add a compressor. And let's add a chorus. And now what we're going to do is move on to post-processing. So let's add a camel crusher. This is a very good plugin. I would highly recommend that you get it. What it is it's basically a distortion, a compressor and a filter all in one. Let's use the British clean setting and turn the amount up slightly. Now let's get ourselves an OTT and let's turn the depth down. And something like that is fine. And then finally let's add some EQ. And I'm just adding a limiter to stop it redlining. Here we have our sound. So what I'm going to want to do with that now is automate it. Let's make a pattern. So we've got this pattern, and now I'm going to add a few little things to it to make it more interesting. So let's start with changing the pitch. So what we can do here is have the pitch normal for the first half and then gradually going down for the second half. like this. And then another thing we can do is we can automate the filter. So let's click on the filter and then come to this here in the top left, click it and then click browse parameters. It will take you to the filter, right click that, create automation clip. And now let's mess about with this. So for the first note, let's have it coming up like this. And now let's create another pattern every third step to get this wob 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 effect. And you can just experiment with this and create a sound that you like. This is the very start of sound design, so you can pretty much do whatever you like with this, change it however you like. I'm just going to mess around with it for a second just to show you what I mean. And you get the idea. If you like this video, please leave a like and subscribe. Drop a comment on what kind of videos you'd like to see from me in the future. You can also check out my Patreon for exclusive content. And I've recently launched a website, which is in the description, where you can get 3 sample packs as well as ones that you can buy. I'll see you all in the next one. Take it easy.